Hi, how are you? Are you fine? Today can we speak about angry? Good. Yeah. Let me speak. Okay. Let me speak to the screen. Okay, yeah. I know you have so much anger. I know. Okay. Come to our point. So let me explain it. Let's show people how anger is angry. Okay? Let's see. Hey guys, so in my last video I have explained about paranoia, but not too much detail about it. Let me explain one by one to you, and it will be helpful to you, I think so. So let me take one character, some example. Okay. So today in my topic I have taken anger is my topic. Okay. So how anger is related to paranoia? Let us assume one example of paranoia is angry. So what I am saying is I am assuming today's topic as angry. So this is not topic. What I am saying is this angry. No. Let me come to the diagram first. Okay. Just I will explain you this diagram. Just see. Okay. This same diagram I have shown you this same water diagram as paranoid diagram to my previous video, but this is anger related to paranoia. Okay, not that video. Okay, this is another video. So you can see this is a normal person character. I mean, this is normal level of water, and this is affected level of water, and this is what affected level of water means. This is angry. Okay, not that affected FMT where in my last video I have shown with paranoia. Okay, this is I am taking one example and explaining on it. Okay, just first today I took anger, so let me see what anger comes today in my topic. So what I am doing, in this diagram, I am what doing this normal temperature level is there, no. This normal temperature, no, I am just burning it, and the same when we burn it, no, the evaporation level will come up. Okay, then that level, no, it forms one more level, means the same last in my last video, the same second layer how it formed, the same this also it has been it been, see, it's forming, no, from here to here. It means what, it is a high level, no, then it is the anger. So the same I said here as a theoretical. If you see here, layer 1 is normal human being temperature. So this is a this is no cool temperature. Okay, so normal temperature, normal water layer. Okay, this is a normal human being when see now. Okay, and layer 2 is affected human being temperature. So that upper layer I said na evaporated, that is a affected layer. Okay, that is hot temperature. Okay, so as per diagram, the first layer gets evaporated, forms another layer. If we close uppermost, mean that evaporation layer, how it gets air outside, no. So if we close that, we can see the evaporated water. But what, we are human beings, not water. Just a jokes apart. That was an assumption just to prove something called anger. Now all clear those who didn't see my last video, then forget about controlling yourself, because in that also I have taken water as my example. So in every example I will be taking water only as my example. So in my so what I am telling is like paranoia, same direct effect. Okay, direct means what? Upward effects, the same effect, you can see here, upward movement. Okay, the evaporation effect is upward. What is I am saying, angry is not another disease. It has similarities to the paranoia, which means, as per I said in previous video, that paranoia which is related to all disease, and anger is character on my paranoia, means before when I was teaching this paranoia, in that I have given one character and talent. In character I have categorized many things in character, like normal people, subnormal people, supernormal people. In that I have given that dominating angry people all comes under paranoia. So this is example for that only. I said dominating people, threatening, coercion, revenge, etc. etc. This etc. If we don't know anything, we say etc. Not like this. Okay, because if the thing which I want to explain, but not here, so I am saying extra here. So because I will take this topic as some another topic and I will explain, so I cut it here. Let me see first. I will cut it out this first. Let me explain this first, etc. Or else I am not school student to write etc etc. So guys, you can see here this etc just for what something I'm explaining. Okay, this etc what I said, there will be saying many one etc, but I said inquiries and revenge, or there will be many thing. Okay, this etc why I'm explaining, no, because this etc things only this anger comes. How I will show? If we don't know something, we say etc. Okay, okay. Jokes apart. Come to my point. I am saying is, let us elaborate this etc. Can we elaborate? Yeah. Let's elaborate. So, this etc. no categorized into two types. What is these two types? If you say this already, you know what is this 2i. Did you saw this somewhere? Yeah. It's on my last video. I said that uh, in our two eyes, just our left eye, first eye, okay, in one eye see only your fault, and another eye see others not fault but see only their talents, their benefits, their good things, everything see only at good, not at bad. So this no how it's just in my last video, this is the main thing I came to explain. Okay, but in my last video I haven't explained much about it, but this is the main thing. This will only reduce our anger and everything and paranoia. How I will show? Before this no, because this word when I said no, I said before this word something. So what I am saying is, before this word trusting, first watch this movie. Okay, this movie is really very awesome movie. It's a Black Friday movie. It's about 1993 bomb blast. Okay, it's about a true story. Just see that movie. Okay, you will be knowing that why I have said this movie to see, because nowadays caste is a problem for everyone. Really, everyone seeing a caste, but we should not see the caste. We are everyone are equal. So let me come. So after when you watch that movie, then you understand this, I think. So let me come first eye. Okay. So always see your own mistakes. First eye what says? Our left eye is what says? Always see your own mistakes. Whatever may be, it is small or big. Just always try to find what is wrong. What is wrong? When you start seeing your own mistakes, you can clarify yourself easily. What I am telling is, our own mistakes can be corrected only by us. So we are facing a problem like jealous, angry mind, or anything wrong about others, or always complaining about others, or yours, or yourself, own yourself, or seeing someone's money, someone's property, someone's BF or GF or wife or husband, or anything, or someone's child, or anything on a wrong way. Okay, I am not saying in a good way, I am saying a wrong way. Who don't have brotherhood female, means a female who don't have brother, even they are also will be facing this, or parentless child, or poor or rich or talkative, same like normal and abnormal people. Yeah, talkative, sensitive, whatever, anything. But this angry, fall on all level. Normal people, abnormal people, super normal people. That's what. Just I'm taking some points of abnormal, but this is not meaning this is only for abnormal. It's all category it will be falling. This anger is a nature, and how it will be cured? It will be cured only by nature. Jokes apart. So come to the point. What I said, talkative, sensitive, whatever, anything we can say which hurt others. And later of point of view, no, what will be if we hurt someone, no, by our words, the same, no, after some months or years, no, the same word will be, no, why I said like that, etc., etc., will be thinking, again will be paranoid, then again the same temper will be having inside our heart, many thing. Okay, so guys, what I'm saying, in short, we can say indirectly or directly, whatever I am saying in first eye, it means a bad habit. This is a left eye is a bad habit, okay, or disadvantage of yourself or myself, or drawbacks of any human beings which hurt people as well as animals as well as nature, everything whatever in this world, inside every single thing gets affected. And one more thing, in every religion bad habit is a sin, debt, liable, responsible. What I am saying is, if we do bad, even God punishes. We return gifts. What I said, responsible. What I am saying is, if we do bad, even God punishes. We return gift according to our sin. Sorry, this is not we. They return. Okay. They means who? The God, the great who created us. The God, according to their whatever the sin we do, indirectly I am saying, even you can say directly also that this is a bad habit, big paranoia related disease, which brings all disease. I already said in my last video that paranoia is a big disease which brings all disease. And no, what I am saying, no, this angry is not paranoia, okay, but no, what I am saying, see here what I have written next, okay, because of anger only, every bad habit we go through, we do in our day to day life, but we will not be aware of it. What I am saying, the same, okay, the same logic apply, not be aware of it, it means the same paranoia condition, okay. Even the paranoia people will not be aware, even the anger people, if they shout at someone, they will think that they are at correct position, and the party who is getting shout, no, the party will be at what mistaken, I mean they will be at fault, he will be thinking, the person who is shouting at them. So this is also a paranoid condition. Why no, because now just you what I am saying, take one example as MNC. What is this? What is this? MNC means multinational company. Multinational company. Do you aware of multinational company? Anyone aware of? I think everyone will be aware of it. So what I am saying is, it will be located all over the world. And one more thing, the place where it locates more, no, where the demand is high. What I am saying, the demand is high. Demand. No, demand. Why I am repeating this word, I will say. Here MNC is a paranoia, okay. MNC mean multinational company is a, keep it as paranoia, okay. And MNC is demanding, this demanding, where demanding is high. I said no, MNC locates their branches where demanding is high. These branches, okay. This is the location in anger, okay. This is the branch of anger, okay. This is the demanding branch of paranoia. Hence I have proved my diagram related to anger. A big question, how to control it. First, how I have proved my diagram, can you see it here? Where is the diagram? See, I have what I said, I have proved, means this is a normal layer and this is a bad habit, this is a bad thing, okay, whatever we angry, everything. So this layer and this layer proved. So I am hence this anger related to paranoid. So finally it is relating or not? It's relating, no? Yeah, I am also saying same, it is already related. So what the question is, how it be controlled? Easy. Nothing is control. If there is a bad, there will be a good. How to control? We need 40 compulsory days to see our control benefits. How to see our control benefits? Benefits. This benefits means what? If I invest something on business, I will be getting some profit. That is benefit. Yeah, exactly same, but little there is some changes. Come here. So nothing great. Yeah. Okay. Just it's a good habit. Yeah. That only I said. So there will be, if there is any bad habit, then think that there will be a good habit. If the bad nature can be destroyed only by good nature. So how it can be destroyed? Only by second eye, our right hand side eye. So the second eye, high inflation means increasing. High increase eye means it is focused eye. We should only focus on second eye. That's why I have written high inflation eye. Let us assume again same example, water. Guys, don't make yourself irritate. I am taking that water as more example, because water, everybody know this water is very important for our life. Even it chill our anger also. If you drink water when you are angry, or even our it reduces our thirsty mind plus rest, etc. That's what I am taking, water. Okay, so come to this benefited by everyone diagram. Means this I asked, no, what is this benefit? Okay, if we control, what benefit we will get? Okay, let me say what benefit we will get, and let you also assume what benefit you are gonna get. Okay, so let come here. First this diagram don't see. Now this diagram for time sake leave. So come to this. So listen here carefully. Okay, how to control, I said no. How to control, then benefits I will be showing in diagram. So listen here carefully. Habit of acceptance. First know how to control our anger. I am saying the first point. Okay, habit of acceptance. It means never say no to anybody. Only when there is bad thing you can say no. It means what? Do you understand? Habit of acceptance means anybody at your home, or any of your friends, or any of your relatives, or any of your parents, or parents relative, or teacher, or anyone, whomever saying any work, just without angry, without hesitation, just listen to it. That means acceptance from your heart. When you accept it, what happens? No, the theory is it's a acceptance. When you have acceptance, then do it in practical. Means when you accepted whatever they said, then do it by heart. Whatever they said, do it by heart. Practical of acceptance habit. Understood what I said? First, what I am saying is never say no to anybody. Okay, whatever work they are saying, just listen to them, and just do it. I am saying in this both point, this is a listen and this is a doing. So practical. Okay, then second, first, second, then third. Okay. Third, what saying? Maintain yourself cleanliness. If you maintain this cleanliness, no, what will happen? No, the people whomever you are seeing you, they will think that if I scold or do or something to this guy, this guy may be some decent fellow or respected person. If I scold or something maybe happen to us or to our company or to our business, anything. So this brings one respect. Okay. So after that, no, patience. Guys, this patience is a king of this anger, a big key to success. Really, I am saying this patience only will work on it. Because if anybody scolds or anybody angers at you, or anybody what shows his temper at you, when you show your when you show your patience, then only you can ignore them, or what to say, you can control your anger, because when you keep quiet, when you keep patience, then only it will be happen. So when you control bad habits, so it is the next point, okay. When you control bad habits, automatically, your anger can be easily controlled. It means when you are angry, just keep quiet, listen quiet, answer politely. If someone gives you gali, you give them pan ki thali. What it means, if someone gives you bad words, you give them, I don't know what to say this pan in English, okay. You find it in Google. This is a good what is a quote. Easily, what I am saying is, if someone giving you bad words, just ignore them. Just take it them as that you are giving them one sweet, okay. Giving them sweet, a plate of sweet. If giving you someone bad words, you give them some plate of sweet, not by bringing sweets, by sweet words. Understood? That's what I was telling here. So what is that? Okay, never ever try to show that you are hurt. What I am saying, that's what I said this. So show your sweetness, so that you will not be getting hurted. So if they tell you anything, no, if you don't get hurt, then nothing will happen to you. Only will happen the person who is scolding you. They will think, am I mad, or anything else? Why I am scolding him or her? So just an example, assume yourself as dead body. I know everyone is live, and I am also live, and I am explaining, and everyone gonna live their life very happily. So why I am saying this, assume yourself as dead body, there is some reason. Because any person, if he speaks or shouts, try to change, means try to bringing bad habits on you, or insisting you wrong advice, anything, yeah, regarding first eye, means all bad habits. Just say now whether it will be affecting to dead body. Just say whether it will be affecting to dead body. Anything will be affected to dead body, or make yourself, when you make your, what to say, if anybody, what to say this, did you anywhere saw any people did scolded a dead body? No, no one will scold a dead body, because they are already died, and now we can't, nothing we can say. We can't even worry about them, because if once they gone, only their parents will cry or something, they will be doing, okay. So what I'm saying is, the dead body gonna come back or what? No, not gonna come. No, the same I am saying, make yourself as dead body. That's what, why I'm saying, because it will not affect their words. Their words means what? Whose words? The people's words, their actions, their strongness, their insult, their talking behind us. Nothing will affect us. If we habited to dead body, anyway gonna die everyone. Okay, so one day everyone gonna die. Then why not second die? Why should not see this second die? Okay, why we should not apply this second die? Why this second die we cannot apply? We can apply. We can apply our second eye as their talent, means when someone speaks wrongs about you or hurt you, just be patient and learn something from them, from your own second eye. Understood what second eye? It's just a learning from others. Don't see their faults, just learn from second eye. That's what I have given this second eye as a concluding method. So let's come. I haven't explained the diagram. I have said earlier what I want to explain this. So what I said, from your own second eye, I said. Now see, when you apply this from your own second eye, if you see others only positivity, if you try to learn from them, not to get hurt from them, just if they are hurting you, just please don't get hurt. Just try to get avoid it and what to learn from them, or whatever he may have good habit, please learn that. Never ever take it negative points in your brain, because it is related to paranoia and it will affect you in anger. So this diagram, what if be if you want to know this diagram, yeah. Clear, I think, yeah. So what I said, that benefited, no, benefited by many people, main this one benefited water level, nothing new I am showing. This benefited by everyone, this diagram name. So the same diagram I am drawing here. So what I am saying is, this is a benefited by everyone. How this diagram comes means, when you apply this second eye concept, then only this diagram is suitable for this concept. If you ask how, then see, this is the one layer, okay, this is the layer what we need, normal level water okay, normal water level. This is a normal human being level, and a human being can be normal only at this stage. So we want to reduce to this stage. What I said something, no, benefited. In every diagram I have explained this upper layer as something. Now why this benefited? How it will be benefited? This one more, it will be lost, no, like paranoia, like anger. No. That is another. This is one another. This is we are doing not bad thing. We are doing a good thing. So this is a normal human being. If a normal human being do a bad thing or a good thing, it will gonna affect upper side. Okay, the here is a good thing. So this goodness, if this come to this level, no, when you listen that what I said, key to success something, no, patience. When that patience plus this anger, when you control, no, this upper layer, whatever here, you will be benefited by everyone. So that this diagram name is itself benefited by everyone. Why I said this? Because when your name is good, when your goodwill is good, when your everything is good, your everything is perfect at everything, then why people gonna scold at you? Or when you are not hurting anybody, when you means what, only a single person. If everyone are doing this, everyone are controlling, using my second eye trick, if they use, what gonna happen? This corona, this strikes, whatever coming, whatever pandemic coming, this will, no, it will not come. Why it's falling? This here from sky it's falling. Why I said benefits by everyone? See, if we do good, a people will say our good names, and what we are respected will be more respected in society. So this will form one another layer of goodness, and one it will overflow. How overflow? From up, from sky also. What who's here what I am saying is, if we do good to the earth, then nature will be good and the human beings will be good. Plus this is the nature and human beings, plus even God also will be good. So only if God is happy, then we are happy. If we are not happy because we are doing wrong, we are this maintaining on wrong way, we should maintain on second way. If we control our anger little amount, at least paranoid, not little amount, at least, yeah, 40 to 50%, if you are reducing it, you are benefited na yaar. When you get good names, just really I'm saying, not really what to say, I don't know. Anger is, no, how to say, really yaar, anger, it kills a relationship of a family, of any other relationship. Yeah, this is very danger thing here. So we must control this. So if you see, no, wait. What I said? Okay. So let me explain this. Whatever I said in my words, it will be in theoretical. So as per diagram, what proving is, bad not equal to good. What I am saying, if you do bad, no, you will become more bad. If you do good, no, you will become more good. So what not equal to not? Bad is not equal to good. If you do bad, it will not over exploit, I mean what's it, overflow like this. You will die within this, not over exploit. This and all God's gift. God, if you do bad, God will gift you? No, they will put you stone on your head and you will die. So what I am saying, this is not bad equals to same. Good only will be overloaded and will be God will be, you will be getting more blessed by God, by people, everyone. You will be respected over everywhere. If you control your anger, you can succeed in your life any way, any field. If you can succeed in your life, you can success only through this method. Once patience and your anger must be controlled, then your speaking habits automatically will be changed to a correct way of speaking. So if you speak correct, then the wrong words will not fall on you. So be careful, guys. What I am saying is, we be careful. Means if we control just our anger, na, indirectly we can say we are not no more paranoid, because all our brain crime will get caught here, and goodness our goodness removes paranoia as well as we will be over benefited by everyone. Example, if we do good, people who see us, they speak good about us. The same way human beings, nature, this world, universe, God will respect our humanity, and they will not be giving more problems to us. Already we are making problems here in this world. For that reason only all crimes cases increased, but good person cases never increased. Who sees it, yaar, in this world? With just sad to everyone, my family members, please share this. Thank you human beings who watched my video and trying to bring in your lifestyle, because today I am also starting this method, and already I did one time. Now again I am trying. I want to control more, and I want to be fit to it, and really it's working. Okay, what I am showing to next page. My video is over now. Your no. I am just showing what other scientists have, doctor, some website details I have taken and I have written. See what is the anger effects that anger may have on the body. You can see the Google, and I have only googled it. It is not my own. How I am not one doctor. I am just controlling anger. I know some tricks. Okay. Increase heart rate, feeling hot, sweating, tightness in the chest, stomach churning, tense muscles, shaking or trembling, weakness, feeling faint. This no weakness, leg weakness. No, yeah. This one, no, really, it's. I saw this one. I saw this one in real life. Really, it happens. Leg weakness. Really, I saw many people. And feeling faint. Even me also fainted one day. So it's all problematic only. Angry means, see, effects that anger may have on the body. This effects that anger may have on the mind. Paranoid disorder means something coming here. Same paranoid, nervous, same, unable to relax, same, easily irritated, guilty, sad or depressed. See, humiliated, like striking out. These all bad habits. Anger, I said no, this and all will come. See. Ayo, this much. This much and all there. See. Shouting habits, yelling, screaming, crying, acting in an abusing manner, craving something such as this one is also very dangerous. Alcoholic, tobaccoism. Anger is also associated with many mental health, as I said, paranoid conditions. See, zooming. Antisocial personality disorder, anxiety, attention deficit means less hyperactivity disorder, bipolar disorder, borderline personality, many disease. If you count, no, it will not end. Okay, so think how big this one it is, anger. If we control, why anger is bad for health? Huh? See, this is I have taken from even this also from Google only. I mean, this is doctor script, I think. Yeah. See, anger releases the hormones cortisol and what is this word? Norepinephrine, ferripine, which activate the flight stress response. When this happen, heart and breathing rates increases. Arteries constrict. Blood 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 move away from internal organs, and inflammation and stress increase. What I'm saying is, hey, everything increasing. Direct listen, same like paranoid. Now, all the best for your anger. If you want to control, you will be benefited. If you don't want to control, you will be at loss. Whatever I am this blabber, this Google page alone, no, just put Google it anger and just find everything. You will see what is the Google and what is the anger. Okay, so guys, bye, see you on next video.